They're sizing up the job right now. That is the Smart Home Panel 3 from EcoFlow. It is a beast of a machine. It is a smart home panel, quite heavy. So they are installing it right now, making sure everything is leveled. And they basically replaced our old panel. We had a subpanel, and this is the old subpanel right here, and it only had a certain number of circuits. The new one, the Smart Home Panel 3, has 32 circuits, so basically it's going to replace our subpanel completely, and that's why it's going to be such a clean installation. And this is again the reason why I went with the Smart Home Panel 3, and I waited because the Smart Home Panel 2, I was going to get it, but I decided not to, just because the Smart Home Panel 2 doesn't have enough circuit, so we would still have to keep our old subpanel and then only run the circuits that are important that uses the Smart Home Panel for backup power. So it's just messy. You have to install an extra panel and keep your subpanel. In this case, with the Smart Home Panel 3, it's got 32 circuits, so it's going to replace our entire subpanel, and it's going to make for a very, very extremely clean installation. It's going to look so good. And if you're curious, these guys are professional. That's Jack, that's Mike, and they are in the Bay Area, and they'll do this type of work for you, no problem. This is such an easy job for them. I mean, it's a lot of work, but they've done this so many times. They do it for commercial work, they do it for home use, residential, so they'll take care of it, and they know exactly what they're doing. They got the right tools. They had to punch out those holes right there, and they mounted it, and then they're gonna also put wood around it and paint it and make it look nice. It's gonna look great. And then we'll be able to use our EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, which is back here, and this unit is going to be able to power our entire home. And the way we're going to use it is we're going to use energy arbitrage. So what that means is during the day we are going to get the power from the batteries of the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and power our home that way, because energy is cheaper at night and it's expensive during the day. So we're going to use the power from the battery to power our home during the day, and at night when the energy is cheaper, we'll program the Smart Home Panel 3 with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X to charge the battery using grid power when it's cheaper. So that's the plan. It's going to be awesome. It's going to actually save us money and eventually pay off our whole system right here, the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the 2 EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra battery and the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra right there.